From the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center, I'm RTV6 meteorologist Todd Clausen. It's another Storm Team 6 alert day. We'll deal with some light scattered showers throughout the morning, and then throughout the afternoon hours, some spotty, strong to possibly severe storms will roll in, with wind and hail being the two main threats. Temperatures today start off in the 50s, warm to a high right around 65, and there will be plenty of dry hours mixed in throughout the day today as well. It is not a complete washout. You notice here on TrueCast. In fact, much of the morning into the early afternoon is dry, and then we kind of build in additional showers and storms throughout the afternoon and early evening. So the second half of the day, potentially the wetter half of the day with those isolated storms. The Storm Prediction Center does have us under the marginal risk for severe weather south of Indianapolis. Again, the main threats would be some gusty wind, maybe some small hail, but I think any severe weather today is very borderline. I want to fast forward to Wednesday. A steady rain is going to develop throughout the course of the day, and there could be some strong to severe storms Wednesday as well. It's the wettest day in our extended forecast with a high temperature of 64. Behind that storm system, very chilly on Thursday, maybe even a few snowflakes mixed in with a high of 42. But the weekend at this point looks terrific. Saturday, sunny, highs in the low 60s. Sunday, mostly sunny and highs in the low 70s.